Machine learning models need to train on robust datasets, especially for production use cases. What is a robust dataset? In machine learning, this is a dataset that is comprehensive, sufficiently large, high quality, diverse, and accurately representative of the problem space it's intended to model. While a lot of real datasets have many of these qualities, the problem is that they often lack enough rare classes and edge cases. This scarcity can make it difficult to train a machine learning model that can accurately handle these situations. The solution is to create and use synthetic data. Here are 4 tips for using synthetic data for edge cases. First, you should identify your edge cases and rare classes. Understand what these scenarios are in your dataset. This could be rare diseases in medical images, or things like unusual animals and jaywalkers in self-driving. Second, check that your synthetic data actually represents the real-world scenario with minimal domain gaps. This can be done by manual inspection or by using a separate model trained on real data. Third, make sure your model validation process makes it so that you have enough of the real data edge cases in your test set, so that any improvement by using synthetic data can actually be quantifiable. Fourth, all of your synthetic data should not include rare classes. You do not want a machine learning model to learn that synthetic data is mostly rare classes. Also, when you discover more edge cases, remember that you can iteratively improve your synthetic data over time and account for them. This is a major difference between real and synthetic data. Synthetic data is far easier to improve than real data. And that's it. Synthetic data can be used to create robust datasets and is especially useful for dealing with edge cases.